Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So today we are doing a detailed tutorial of this gorgeous design here. Then the second part will be to price it, how much we'll be selling it. And at the end of the video, I'll introduce the next episode, that's the third part. So make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what to be doing in the next episode. This is XOXO Zozo. That's what we are doing in episode 14. This is season 2 of the beading series, and let's dive right into the video. I'm using 0.25 beading thread. I'm using size 8mm pearls, and I'm using the smallest size of seed bead. I'm using size 98 beading needle. All the materials used will be in the description box. I'm using this clasp ring and I'm using this jump ring here. All the materials used will be in the description box, so you can just check them out after the video. So I've double threaded my needle. I just picked about 200 centimeters length of thread, and I've put needle on each end of the thread. I went ahead to pick 8 of the seed bead. So that was 8. Then I moved it to the middle of the thread, just like so, and I went ahead to pick 2 of the seed bead on one thread, on one needle, and I passed the other needle through it as shown. So it's going through the opposite end. I'm going to put my needle together and pull the bead all the way down. And this is what we have. You should have some small tiny circle like this. So I went ahead to pick 5 on each thread. Now we have left and right thread, so I'm going to pick 5 on the left needle, 5 on the right needle. So 5 seed bead, 1 pearl on the right needle, then 5 seed bead. So I'm picking 5 seed bead, 1 pearl on the left needle. So this is how it should look like. Then once that was done, I just went ahead to pick 2 seed beads. You can pick the 2 seed beads on any of the needles. I wanted to show you how it looks real quick. So I went ahead to pick 2 seed bead. You can pick it on any of the needles like I said. So I picked it on the right needle. Then you just move it onto the thread just like so. And I'm going to pass the left needle through it towards my right. And that's cross thread, and I'm just going to cross thread on both seed bead. And this is what we have at this point. I'm just going to pin it down real quick, just like so that you know exactly what is going on. Now we are forming X and O with a seed bead. So I'm going to form my first O. I'm going to pick 7 on the left, 7 on the right. So there's 7 on the right needle, then 7 on the left needle. Then I'll go ahead and cross thread with 2 seed bead. So cross threading, we basically pick it on any of the thread and pass the other thread towards the opposite direction. So I'm passing my left thread towards the right. And we have our first O formed. I'll just go ahead and pick 1 pearl, 5 seed beads on the right, So 1 pearl, 5 seed bead on the right. We are doing the same thing to the left. So 1 pearl, 5 seed bead on the left. Anytime we are forming an X, we cross thread with 1 seed bead. Whenever we are forming an O, we cross thread with 2 seed beads. So we are just going to cross thread with 1 seed bead. I'll just go ahead and pick one. I was trying to put it together. Then I'm just going to cross thread on the 1 seed bead. So basically that's half of the X is formed. Now let's go ahead and form the other half. I'm going to pick 5 seed bead again. So 5 seed bead on the right. One pearl. Then 5 seed bead on the left. One pearl. It's very easy. Just follow it well and you will be able to do it. It's very easy and very simple. Now I'm going to cross thread with 2. You can see the X formed, right? Yeah. So I'm going to cross thread with 2 seed bead. I'm just going to pick 2 on the right. Then I'll pass the left needle through it towards my right. Basically that. Just like so. Now we have our O and our X formed. Let's try a couple of times and then we'll go ahead and finish it up. So just watch closely, and I don't want to bore you with too much talking. I'm sure the first part was well explained. I don't want to bore you with too much talking, so just watch closely. So I'm going to pick 7. When I'm forming the 0, I use 7. So I'm going to pick 7 on the left, 7 on the right. Then I'll cross thread with 2. Just like so. So our O is formed. Now I'll just go ahead and pick 1 pearl on each needle. Now we are just going to form our X again. So guess what we are going to pick? Just guess. We are going to pick 5 seed bead on each needle. Then we cross thread with 1 because we are forming an X. So we cross thread with 1. I went ahead to pick 5 seed bead on each thread again, just to finish the X. So 5. Five on the right, then 5 on the left. Now we go ahead and pick our pearls. So 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and our X is formed. So if you don't get it, just go over it a couple of times and I'm sure you will get it. It's very easy and very simple. I'm just going to cross thread with 2 seed beads. Yeah, and if you need a one-on-one tutorial, just leave a message and I'll surely get back to you. I do one-on-one tutorial, online tutorial. So if you need any tutorial, just let me know in the comment section and I'll surely get back to you. So once I got to the length I wanted, that's how it looks like. You can see the X and O. Zozo. I'm just going to pass my thread back through the beads to the middle of the bead where the pearl is. So I pass my thread back through the bead real quick. Just make sure your thread is meeting at the same place so that you can tie a knot. That's basically what we are trying to achieve here. So I'm passing my thread through a couple of beads And if you've made it up to this point, please subscribe. That will help my channel a lot, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be more than grateful. I'll be very much grateful. So please subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded, which will be exactly 2 days from now. Today is what's today? Today is Monday, so the next one will be uploaded on Wednesday. We are back to uploading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I try my best to put in new content 3 times every day. Every week. Yeah, so I just went ahead to tie a couple of knots, and I'm getting rid of the excess thread. So you can choose to pass your thread through the pearl or just get rid of it, but just to hide the thread a little, I just went ahead to pass it through the pearl, and I'm getting rid of the excess thread. And guys, this is what we have. We can't lock it, right? Yeah, so just to be able to lock it, we are going to introduce these 3 gentlemen or gentlemen, which one? We are going to introduce these gorgeous people here. Let's not define them. So this ring, they are not very hard. You can just open them with your hand. I just opened it, attached it to the clasp ring, and I attached it to the bead. Just watch closely, it's very easy. And this is how it looks like. I went ahead to attach the other end also, and this is how it looks like. And I couldn't finish episode 15, so I'm so sorry I couldn't introduce it, but I'll make sure I introduce the next episode in episode 15. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section how much you think we should sell it. Let me know how much you are going to sell it, and let me know the color combination you will use for yours. And guys, this is episode 14. Thank you so much. I'll see you in episode 15.